Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you the capybara ability and grow a garden. Okay, this is the capybara, guys. Before I show you the ability of this pet, I'm going to show you where you can get this pet. In this summer camp event update in Grow a Garden, you can get this capybara from Paradise Egg, and you can grab the Paradise Egg right here. Go to the crafting bench, and you're going to craft here with this recipe, and you need to reach tier 5 of the Campfire workshop. And from the Paradise Egg, you will have 21% chance to get Capybara. And I'm going to place the Capybara in my garden. And now let's view the ability of this pet. This is a legendary pet, guys. All pets within 5 stats won't lose hunger and will gain 3.880 XP every second. Okay, it can restore the hunger of the pet, but only 3 XP, guys. I think it's not that OP, but yeah, it's still good. So you need to have a lot of pets, and it can help you restore the hunger of your pets. Okay guys, and that's everything you need to know about the Capybara pet and Grow a Garden Summer Camp event update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!